everyone, welcome back to my channel, Glamour Has No Age. I'm so sorry, I was MIA last weekend. I picked up Mary's palette from Glitzy Fritzy, the Blessed from Sydney Grace. It looks like this. Now Mary says that these are cruelty-free and vegan. Sydney Grace never said these were vegan on their website, so why they wouldn't say that, I don't understand, because people would want to know. Now, I'll link Mary's video down below. If you have not watched it, you need to watch it, because she explains her reasoning about why she named the shade she names. It's adorable. Anyways, if you don't know Mary, Glitzy Fritzy, I had an interaction with her like last year, I believe. She's probably one of the most kindest people that you could ever talk to on the internet. Extremely nice and extremely helpful. Mary, you are blessed. Alright. So I'm going to use my Singe Beauty brushes. Alright, so I'm going to use my Singe Beauty brushes. I have my eye base on. I'm going to go into Pita and put that in my crease. I'm going to go into Pita and put that in my crease. Now, even though there are colors in here that I would not normally use, if you've been to my channel, it's all brown. Or neutral. Now, these colors aren't that bright. I would say these are more on the neutral side. But this is a little bit out of my comfort zone working with them. Alright. I'm going to take a little bit of my Savior, which is after the creme brulee, and I'm going to blend out the edges with it. Alright, that looks fun. Now, I'm going to deepen out my outer third. So I'm going to go into Family. I'm going to go into Family, which is right here. I'm going to take this blending brush and blend it up and in. These shadows blend really good. I do have a Sydney Grace palette that I bought a while ago. I just never used it on my channel, to be honest with you, because I didn't think anyone would be interested. But it's coffee time, and it's really good. Going to my other side. Blend it out. Put some more down. And I'm gonna put some more over here. No fallout. Which is good. These are really nice shadows. Then I need my BK Beauty A505. And I'm gonna go into fritziness. I'm gonna try that out. Not bad. I'm gonna turn my brush around and I'm gonna go into High School BFF and gonna put that in my outer third on my inner corner. Then I'm gonna take a different brush. I'm gonna take Pita and I'm gonna put that down below. Not bad. I need some more blending. I'm gonna put on some concealer. Get my concealer brush. I'm gonna put on some mascara. That's it. That's my look. I like it. I think it came out good. Of course, I'm gonna have to play around some more with the palette to try to create more looks with it. But yeah, it didn't scare me with the color. I mean, it looks fun. I like the way she has it set up. My savior, I've never used cream brulee, but this is what she wanted it to look like, the color cream brulee from Wet n Wild. That's a good blend out shade. And then she has most of her mattes over on this side. My palette is light, by the way. They do a deeper version. So if you have a deeper skin tone than me, then I would get the dark version. And I'll get you some swatches of this as well. You'll probably see it further up in the video. But I like this. This is a good palette. Thank you, Mary, for creating it. Well, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.